You might know about the Foxboro DCS. This is our highly available automation platform that we have been using in the heavy process industry since 1987. We have a great install base and customers are very happy with the performance and the availability of a system like this. Now, starting in February 2026, we are introducing Foxboro software-defined automation, Foxboro SDA. So why Foxboro SDA? Well, we have been listening to our customers. They've been demanding that they went to hardware separated from the software. They've been demanding that they'd be able to use applications not only being made from one manufacturer, but also from another. They are demanding a system that is compliant to latest cybersecurity regulations. So what we've actually done is we've developed a solution which is truly software-defined from the I/O module all the way up to the software application. Universal I/O and our new Edge IO NTH allows you to use software to configure each channel based on the signal type that you have. Our new Edge communication node can actually take on many different characters depending upon the firmware loaded. They can be an Edge communication node allowing it to connect our new Edge IO NTH or even our current Foxboro DCS 200 series I/O. But with just a firmware update, this can become a controller, or it can become a gateway, or because it's software, it can actually do both. So we can now address both hard and soft I/O together with Foxboro SDA. There even will be a coexistence scenario where it connects to new Edge IO NTH modules to an existing current Foxboro DCS controller to expand a running system with new I/O capacities. And because Foxboro SDA is enabled by EcoStruxure Automation Expert, we have EcoStruxure products in our Schneider Electric portfolio that can be included as a solution, as well as those that are coming from our universal automation partners. But it doesn't just stop there, because not only the customers expect to be able to have a solution which might have to be provided by Schneider, but many customers have been asking for open, which is why we have collaborated with organizations like Intel and universalautomation.org, where we actually look at the future. Using the soft D-PAC provided by Schneider Electric, we are able to deploy common code-exchangeable automation applications on different platforms like the Schneider Electric SCADA PAC RTU, the Modicon M580D PLC, or industrial PCs mounted on DIN rails running real-time enabled Linux as the operating system. We could even build a system consisting of a variety of so-called distributed control nodes or control processors that were historically used, or potentially even with a server platform on-premise or in some secure local or remote cloud, with high availability failover capabilities between those, where our technology partner Intel built a demonstration that we are showing on the other side of this demo wall. In fact, we've actually added an EcoStruxure Automation Expert Control runtime capability to our Altiva drives that we show at our drives demo over there in the booth, where we can actually run a small portion of the application directly on the drive. And open goes even further, all the way out to the I/O, so that again, by working with partners from universalautomation.org, we can incorporate I/O and compute capacity from others beyond Schneider Electric, for example, for intrinsic safety applications. With the combination of the open approach and with deploying high availability concepts, we decouple the need to touch the systems engineering application from the obsolescence of underlying hardware and software through enabling online upgrades of hardware and software without having to interrupt plant operation. With building Foxboro SDA using EcoStruxure Automation Expert technology, we're able to deliver solutions for DCS scale automation applications, as well as truly open scalable systems with strong lifecycle management, a robust support offer with one common system status and health management, with one common namespace, one common time synchronized alarm lists, and with one common pane of glass to the operator, no matter where any tag physically lives, making open an exciting new reality.